Has life pranked you and your windshield really sucks and the wind hits you right in the head? I'm 6'3", in this stock windshield. The wind hits me right in the head. So I got an 8-inch Memphis shade. 8-inch with the bend in it. It's supposed to send the air right on over. Yeah, new, old. This should help put the wind up and over my head. Alright, you gotta take a look at this. It's on, it looks good. Aftermarket handlebars hit, they're gonna hit. I barely moved the wheel and they're gonna hit. I'm gonna have to put the handlebars back a little bit, which sucks, but I mean, it looks good. Look at, you know, they said this is 8-inch, but I don't know. It's a foot there. I mean, is it 8-inch? 8-inch there, straight up, and it just curves back. Yeah, it looks about 8-inch. I guess you could say about 8 inches. Yeah, I don't know. It goes back a good 11 inches, 11 and a half inches. I don't know. I don't remember if this one was used and returned, but yeah, it's definitely. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, it's a good height because I'm 6'3", so it's a good height as far as my eyesight's about here. So I don't know. I don't know how they measure these, so I got the 8-inch off Amazon. All right. I don't know. I mean, it looks good. I might have to adjust the handlebars, which kind of sucks. I liked where they're at.